Guardian General would like to extend congratulations to the Jamaica Observer on yet another staging of Take Style Out. This weekend, which celebrates and encourages entrepreneurship, has become a highly anticipated calendar event. Guardian General is truly excited to be on board. We're delighted to introduce an exclusive offer to all participants where you can enjoy a 10% discount on your motor vehicle insurance. Be sure to grab those coupons available at participating stores island-wide. This special offer is valid from October 25th, 2023 through to June 30th, 2024. As part of our commitment to making life easier, we're thrilled to introduce the MyGG online app. With this app, our clients can save time by getting quotes, renewing your policies, and making payments conveniently. But that's not all. We invite you to join us at our Artisan Village on Friday, October 27th, located right at our offices, 19 Dominica Drive. This is your chance to support our small business owners and enjoy the vibes with Bergerman from Edge 105 FM. Once again, congratulations to the Jamaica Observer for their outstanding work in fostering entrepreneurship. And we look forward to not only supporting your journey, but also ensuring that you get there safely with Guardian General.